Hello and welcome, it's Ayu here and welcome to the review video of AdMax. So AdMax was live on 24th and it's still live for 3 days. It's a 3 day sale, 24, 25, 26 till 27. So I will be going through the product that is AdMax which was launched on 24th. This is what the bonus page looks like. So as you might have seen on the headline, it says that get custom bonuses. So this is what the bonus page looks like. You'll be getting custom exclusive bonuses from me if you buy AdMax. So this is what the bonus page looks like. This is what the sales page looks like, and this is the members area. So once you buy the product, this is what the members area looks like. It's a whole training course about ads. You get different modules and different overviews. The first one is training modules overview. So this is the main training part. Then they have all kind of ads like Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. They have ad training of each and every social media platform. So this is a whole package of ads training. So if you're interested in ads, and you might be knowing that ads get a good amount of revenue, so if you're interested in doing ads and earning money from it, so this is the perfect product for you. Buy this product, go through all the trainings. It's not so much technical. I've also gone through the videos. It's not so much technical. Once you learn and once you see them, they are really easy and stepwise, so you'll get to know them. And even if you have some problems, they'll also create some members group, so you can ask your queries there, and the support team will help you. Now moving on to the bonus page, we'll get back onto the sales page in a while. So what is Simply AdMax all about? A service that everyone needs, no one really does that you will. A little known yet very effective formula. So this is whole all about the ads training. So if you're interested in doing ads and earning revenue from it, so this is the perfect product for you. It also has some upsells and downsells. The front end is AdMax, that is $12. A complete and comprehensive training course covering all aspects of paid advertising to allow you to thrive a successful guru when it comes to paid advertising. So you can do paid advertising. You can either do paid advertising for yourself, or you can either do paid advertising for someone else and they'll pay you for that. So either way you earn money from it. So the front end only costs you $12, and even if you get the front end price, you'll still get all my bonuses. The conditions do not apply that you have to buy the autos or something else. Even if you pick the front end price, you will still get all the bonuses and all the vendor bonuses too. The upsell number one is AdMax Elite, that is $37, and the downsell is $27. They include the Elite version includes Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads walkthrough, Facebook ad walkthrough, Google display ads, and YouTube ads. So this is what the auto one contains. The auto number two is done for you campaigns, that is $67, and the down sale is $47. It is They get 10 hot selling done for you campaigns that include done for you bonus page, review video with product demo, and 5 custom bonuses delivered for you. Now the upsell number 3 is reseller rights, that is $37, and the downsell is $27. So you can sell this whole product as your own and get the 100% commission out of this funnel. If you buy the upsell number 3, you can sell this whole exact product as your own. The upsell number 4 is coaching, 101 coaching. So it is $97, a whole 30 days from purchase of one-to-one coaching, conversation, and collaboration, where you can ask me questions on how to use AdMax to its full potential with an action plan to move you forward should you encounter any issues or just asking anything you want about internet marketing. So it is a one-on-one coaching that is only $97. The one-on-one coachings mainly cost you from $150 to $300, but if you buy the upsell number 4, you get one-on-one coaching. You can learn each and everything about paid ads on a live conversation with the creator of this product, and you can really learn a lot from her. The option number 5 is launch a product with Jay Lee, that is $997. It doesn't have a down sale. How would you like to launch your own product. So if you want to launch your own product, you can do it with the help of Jaylee. And what you actually get by buying this upsell is they build out your sales page, they build your JV page, and they also will build your membership site. And they will also guide you through by adding a product in Warrior Plus and making it public for everyone out there to review it or to buy it. Here are some of the key benefits. So these are the vendor bonuses that the vendor will give you. The bonus number one is the traffic handbook. Bonus number two is the evergreen system. Bonus number three is YouTube ads excellence. Bonus number four is profit from PLR. Bonus number five is PLR hackathon workshop. So these are five individual products that is going to be given you as free as a bonus by the vendor, including all my custom bonuses. And listing all my bonuses, here is the bonus number one, that is access the best IG influencers course ever. I'm also giving an Instagram course, so if you're a newbie to social media platforms like social Instagram, Twitter, here is the total guide for Instagram. You get to know all about Instagram and what the influencer game is all about in Instagram. The bonus number two is build your first website in 3 easy steps. If you are planning to run paid ads on your own personal website or your own personal blog, so this particular bonus will help you, as you can build your first website in 3 easy steps. It doesn't need you to get heavy knowledge about coding, or you need to know about the backend process. It's just easy. You just need to drag and drop and your website will be ready. The bonus number three is 4 instant profit methods. This particular tutorial will tell you 4 instant profit methods that you can actually use aside from this product, that is AdMax. The bonus number four is access to the lockdown formula. You also get access to the lockdown formula. It's also a course that will be given to you free of course with the product, that is AdMax, as a bonus. The bonus number five is all the vendor bonuses that I've already mentioned above, that you'll get all the vendor bonuses. Once you buy the product in your Warrior Plus account, you can go to your name, and where it says this blue button right here which says access all the affiliate bonuses, click on that button and you'll get all your bonuses that I am offering you. You don't need to do any extra step. And same on JVZoo, it also has this blue button right here which says access the bonuses. You can click on that and you will get access to all my bonuses, and the vendor bonuses will be delivered to you inside the members area. Click on any of the yellow buttons right here on my page and you will be redirected to the sales page. Once you make your way to the sales page, click on this button right here and you can make the actual purchase. The front end price is only $12, and even if you pick it, you'll get all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses. Now this is what the sales page looks like. If you're interested in going to the sales page, you can go through it in your own time. I will not go through each and every details on the sales page. It also has some income proof screenshots and also some reviews about this whole product from top affiliates who have tried this. So you can go through the sales page in your own personal time. This is what the members area looks like, as I have already gone through this part, that they have whole bunch of videos and modules and they are easy to learn and not very technical, so you can actually learn this course. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this product, buy it via my link and get access to all my bonuses. And thank you so much for watching and have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.